Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 4th. This is lesson number 7 of phase number 5. Today is Monday and it is 28th September 2020. And the topics are reading of unit number 2, Bobo gets punishment, dictation and words meanings of this lesson. And this video lesson is presented to you Pakistan Overseas Higher Secondary School and Dukhtarane Millat Higher Secondary School Mandir, having a beautiful vision and mission. Our vision is to develop a prosperous and God-fearing society on the basis of education, and our mission is to develop the students into model executives of future by the best balance of academic and character building in the light of the Quran and the Sunnah. Dear students, our message of the week is Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam نے ارشاد فرمایا المسلم اخو المسلم لا یظلمہ ولا یخذلہ ولا یحقرہ. اس کا ترجمہ یوں ہے کہ مسلمان کا بھائی ہے، نہ اس پر ظلم کرے، نہ اسے مدد کے وقت بے یار و مددگار چھوڑ کر رسوا کرے اور نہ اسے حقیر جانے. پیارے بچوں، تمام مسلمان آپس میں بھائی بھائی ہیں، اس لیے کسی کو بھی ایک دوسرے پر ظلم نہیں کرنا چاہیے، بلکہ ایک دوسرے کی ہیلپ کریں، اور جب بھی مسلمان بھائی کو آپ کی ضرورت ہو اس کی مدد کریں، اسے تنہا نہ چھوڑ دیں رسوا ہونے کے لیے. اور سب سے امپورٹنٹ بات یہ کہ کبھی بھی کسی کو حقیر نہیں جاننا چاہیے، کیونکہ اللہ تعالیٰ اپنے بندوں سے بہت پیار کرتا ہے اور کبھی بھی نہیں چاہے گا کہ اس کے بندوں کو حقیر سمجھا جائے. Let's come to our lesson. Points to be revised are reading unit number 2, dictation, words meanings. So, first of all, dear students, attention please. There is an assessment in your summer pack. You have to learn lesson number 8 first, then do it carefully. Let's take our first step, and that is reading unit number 2, and the title of the unit is Bobo Gets Punishment. Let's start our reading. Chicky, the little chick, had won the baby animals race. So the animals of the jungle decided to throw a party to celebrate Chicky's victory. They were all making preparations. Donna, the duck, was busy baking a batch of blueberry muffins in her kitchen. She put the baking tray in the oven and bustled out. It will be ready in 10 minutes, she said to herself. Bobo, the naughty rabbit, was playing with his friends when he smelled the aroma of muffins coming out of Donna's kitchen. He rushed to the kitchen to see what was baking. Donna saw him coming, so she ran quickly to close the door, but he was already in. What do you want? Asked Donna. I just wanted to check whether the muffins were baked or not, replied Bobo. They will be ready in 10 minutes. You better stay outside, warned Donna. Meanwhile, his two other friends also came in. They started jumping all over the place. They messed up all the things on the shelves and threw breadcrumbs on the floor. Hey, you naughty rabbits, why are you doing all that? I'll complain to Master Lion, said Donna angrily. Bobo and his friends ran away laughing. Bobo was in a mischievous mood, so he planned to spoil the party. He went to the hall where all the animals were decorating things. Bobo first broke the net laid on the wooden blocks. He then rushed the stage and smashed the speakers. He also mocked Father Tortoise by calling him lazy. He was very happy doing all that. Pop the parrot and Fluffy the bear were observing all that. They went to Master Lion and told him everything. Master Lion flew into a rage. He called an urgent meeting, inviting all the animals except Bobo. It was decided at the meeting to teach Bobo a lesson. In the evening, when Bobo was returning home, his foot suddenly got trapped in a snare. Before he could understand what happened, he found himself hanging on a tree upside down. He screamed for help, but all other animals kept watching him from behind a tree. After a few minutes, they came out. Jojo, the giraffe, laid him down on the ground. He was unconscious. When he came round, he saw some bread slices hanging over him. Master Lion ordered him to hop and eat the slices. He hopped and hopped and hopped. Each time he hopped, the slices would get higher and higher. He was tired and feeling ashamed and embarrassed. There were tears in his eyes. Master Lion roared and said, "Whoever will tease other animals, I will punish him barely and throw him out of the jungle." It is very bad to make fun of others and be rude to your elders. I hope you have all understood well. Bobo won't stay with us anymore. Bobo was crying and seeking forgiveness. He promised everyone to be a good rabbit forever. He also excused Father Tortoise for his behavior. Donna and other animals pleaded with Master Lion to forgive Bobo. Master Lion was kind enough to give Bobo one more chance to stay in the jungle. The next day, he helped Donna to make muffins and others in decorating the party hall. All animals celebrated Chicky's victory with great fun and pleasure. So, dear students, we have done reading. Dear students, you have to learn dictation of page number 8 first, then do it by your elder. Our next step is words meanings. Let's start. First word is aroma and its meaning is smell. Aroma, smell. Next word is batch. Batch and its meaning is group. Next word is hop and its meaning is jump. Next word is mess up and its meaning is spoil. Next word is forgiveness and its meaning is act of forgiving. Let's repeat it. Aroma, smell, batch, group, hop, jump, mess up, spoil, forgiveness, act of forgiving. Next word is smashed and its meaning is destroy, destroyed. Next word is mocked and its meaning is make fun. Last word is snare and its meaning is trap. Let's repeat it. Smashed, destroy, mocked, make fun, snare, trap. We have done with word meanings. So it's time to write down your diaries, write dictation and words meanings of unit number 2, Bobo Gets Punishment, on your summer pack and read this unit very carefully. Dear students, you can contact us on Cloud Campus Parents on Facebook, POHSS Mandir, on Twitter, POA Mandir, on YouTube channel POA Mandir, and also on WhatsApp group, and our WhatsApp number is 053 770 1212. This video lesson is presented to you Pakistan Overseas Higher Secondary School and Dukhtarane Millat Higher Secondary School, Mandir, Dinga Road, Khania, District, Gujarat. Our phone number is 053 770 1212, 770 1220, 770 1296. I hope you all students get this lesson very well and do it carefully. So it's time to leave. Thank you so much. Have a nice day and Allah Hafiz.